Hello viewers, today we have lots of surprises. Here you can see Transformer Optimus Prime. And this is a brand new Age of Extinction 2014 version. So let's go ahead and see what is in Optimus Prime. You can see Optimus Prime is carrying Thomas and a surprise egg. Let's go ahead and show you Thomas and Friends Tank Engine Thomas #1. And Thomas is the protagonist of Thomas and Friends, as you know. This is a plastic made with lots of details. After Thomas you can see a surprise egg, foil wrapped. So let's go ahead and open this. You can see a shiny egg. Let me give you some hints. You can see egg within egg. It is white in color. Thomas and Friends character flies in the sky. It comes with a paper that shows what other characters come in this series. You can see Edward, James, and finally here comes Harold the helicopter. And after the two surprises, Optimus Prime is moving away. And as soon as Optimus Prime is gone, here you can see Mac of Disney Cars. And it is going to be interesting to see what surprise is Mac carrying in the hauler. And here comes Lightning McQueen. This Lightning McQueen is of Disney Cars. Disney Cars Speed, I'm Speed. Lightning McQueen, the protagonist. As soon as Mac is gone, here comes another surprise. In this cart, here's the Play-Doh tree, Play-Doh umbrella, in this Disney Cinderella style cart, and a cool Play-Doh train. Now I can show you the awesome card that carries all the surprises, and it's a Disney Cinderella style card. And it can carry a lot of stuff. It has a seat, you can see. Here you can see all the toys that were in the video. And thank you viewers, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, how did you guys like the video, and see you again.